Let's see how to make music or audio comes from a specific direction. So add your audio to your timeline, then click on window, and here you have to enable essential sound. Then after selecting your audio clip, go to essential sound, and here under essential sound click on SFX, and here click on preset drop down, and here you will find a bunch of different directions for your music. If you want to make your music come from right side or right direction, then here you have to select from the right, and then your music will only play from right side. You can also select here from the left, from outside, explosion, in a large room, make close up, make distant, make medium short. That's how we can actually make sound comes from a specific direction. And here you can also adjust your clip volume or audio volume.